Here we go, welcome back to the Cup TV, the voice of football small circumstance. We are back on the Box Park, one of the best places in Liverpool to watch away games, probably the best one. Here we go, Wednesday night, a League Cup game against Brighton away, and we've got a completely different team for tonight. So basically Jaros is making his full debut for Liverpool. He played against Palace a few minutes, 20 minutes probably. And he's making his full debut, made up for him. Then right hand side we've got Conor Bradley, Quansah, Joe Gomez and Robertson. Taylor Morton as well is making his debut as well for Liverpool tonight. It's not full debut, but for this season is his full debut. Then we've got Wataru Endo, 4-2-3-1 is the formation. Then we've got Diaz on the right, we've got Szoboszlai on the left, Curtis Jones as a false nine, and Cody Gakpo. So it's a promising team, good team, and we expect to win. Not easily because it's going to be a tough game, as every game. But you know what? When Liverpool plays, it's always a joy and made up for that. Come on.
It's good for the vlog,
yeah.
though, isn't it?
But,
Right. Oh, shite. So yeah, we're 10 minutes into the game.
here he is. Here we go. Someone forgot about the game, you know.
I thought it was 8 o'clock, I'm not going to lie, I didn't even check today. I assumed it was 8, because they always put us at the latest, greatest. How are we playing?
Yeah, so. Good, not bad.
Yeah?
Gakpo had a few chances.
Jaros in goal.
Jaros and Tyler Morton as well is playing.
Tyler Morton, yeah, great player. Right then, 3-1, let's have it.
Yeah, Jaros, lad.
Big Jaros. Who needs Allison?
By the way, it's Jaros, not Jaros.
Huh?
Jaros, it's Jaros.
Okay, bro. How has Luis Diaz missed that? 32 minutes in, the best thing Liverpool's created.
First big chance tonight.
If this is a draw after full time, does it go straight to pens?
No, I think it's the straight pens. No, I think we played the game in Anfield then.
Disappointed.
I don't know.
Season is there.
Ah, the spin.
They changed spin.
On target. Surprised you couldn't catch the post.
It wasn't easy, that. It wasn't easy.
Tough chance to be fair, but we've got to be scoring.
It wasn't easy to score.
Andy Robertson gets us a corner. Good build-up play from Liverpool. Great work from Endo. Szoboszlai to Gakpo. Coming. The goal's going to come before half-time.
Good first half. 1 minute left to play.
10 seconds to play.
10 seconds to be honest to play, yeah.
8, 7, 6,
Okay.
5, 4, 3,
Halas.
2, 1.
Oh my God.
Both sides have had their chances. Luis Diaz.
That was pretty shit though, to be honest. So, and if this is a draw, it's straight to pens. Get Kelleher on.
I will download
Lovely
the
bit
Sky
of drink.
app and get rid of
Lovely
that.
drink. Lovely bit of scran. Shout out to Yoki Social Table at Box Park. I've got the crispy duck on chips. No games being played here. Well, there is actually. Ah, my man! What's the goal? Come on! Come on! Come on! What's the goal? Out of nowhere. I didn't even see it. I was too busy eating my crispy duck. What? What a goal, man.
He appreciates where Gakpo is and plays the ball outright. Intelligent pass and then
Oh my God!
wide player, back in the defender into the foul chair.
What a goal, man.
But he absolutely
Christ, what a
rifles
finish.
against the
That's
side
a
net.
rifle.
That is unstoppable.
What a save, Jaros!
What
What
a
a
save
save,
from
Jaros.
Jaros. Absolute unbelievable Jaros.
Oh my word!
Is that Alisson?
I think we found another Kelleher.
Best number 3 in the world.
We got the best number 1, 2,
Best
and
number
3.
2 and best number 3.
What a save, man!
Standing the goalkeeper. Such a difficult save. He's actually moving.
And also we've got the best cockney in the world.
Oh!
And then it's about athleticism.
Lad, this is a real.
Oh my God! Half an hour to go, 60 minutes gone. What's going on here? Hang on, bear with us.
It's in the game, lads.
They're getting a lot of shots on goal. But Yaros is keeping them out at the minute. We need another goal though. Would you make any subs now?
Yeah, probably.
I'd bring on Mo Salah.
The players that we play against Brighton in the Premier League on Saturday, we need to take it off and give him some rest, definitely. Like Luchito, I'm gonna take off Luchito and put Mo Salah. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
And now we're gone. Good head off from Kwanzaa. Liverpool been good tonight. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. Stay with us.
Here we go.
We must score from this. I don't want to see us not score. No, fuck's sake. You twat! It's always Somerset. Yeah! That's how you do it! That's how you do it! That's how you do it!
Cody!
Smash it in, mate.
One name, Cody Gakpo, that's it.
Vamos! Yes,
Vamos, lads! Vamos, lads!
Vamos, bloody!
Come on!
That's how you do it. You don't piss around with it. You just smash it in. I want him to get a hat trick now. Wow. Great ball out from Yaros.
Listen, the Brighton's defense is rubbish.
We're going to win this trophy. We're going back to Wembley. Next time we'll be in box start. Trey Nui almost scored. Almost scored. What a boy. 75 minutes gone. I'd like another one or two. Arsenal are 3 up. I guarantee we'll play Arsenal next round. I guarantee it. Spurs are beating City 2-0. Chelsea are getting smoked, aren't they? Chelsea 2-0. Yeah, Dingre. Arsenal 3-0. Villa 1-0. Be good as Palace won. United 4-2. I guarantee we'll get Arsenal in the quarter-final.
We're gonna get United, lads. We're gonna get Man United.
Away.
Jaros!
Fuck! Jaros!
Offside! Offside!
It's 2-1. What happened there? What happened there?
Got to credit Aguirre though for his quick reactions because I initially thought that
in the wheel, so we go to Wembley. Wembley! Wembley!
It really is a clock game. This really is a clock game. Fuck!
Once again, lads, once again, you know. Deflection.
3-2, man.
it's on target. Once the deflection happens, there's no
And
chance
once again, lads, first one
Once
closes.
it's had a good night, I'll be honest.
We thought the game was over.
No,
Get in! 3-2. We're going to Wembley. Yes, vamos. Smash that like button. Get your comments in. Who do you want in the next round? Will we win the cup?
next round's Man United, I'm telling you now, before the draw.
Wait, when do we find out?
Tonight, lads.
You'll already know by then, but crazy clock game that. It's not, but we've done it. Let's go, vamos.